When I wake up in the morning light, see the dawn breaking, it's a wondrous sight. Betka River Mouth, where the water's light, blocked by a sandbar, but I can't see the sky. Gonna take a trip up to Gabo Island, close to the horizon where the sun is rising. Fire in the sky, it lights my way.